this video, we're going to go over the portfolio results for Capstone Trading Systems portfolios. These are the portfolios that are listed on our website under Market Portfolios. We're going to go over each one of these and take a look at the spreadsheet results and then follow that up with the results on the chart. Nice trading week. It's positive. 25K portfolio took 23 trades, up 785 on the week before slippage and commission. Up 1562.50 on the month with 32 trades. If you take out slippage and commission, we get 762.50. We're taking out 25. I'm putting in the raw data. You can see the weekly results here with the raw profit without slippage and commission and the number of trades. And the reason I do that is because different traders have different slippage and commission numbers that they work with. And so you can come up with your slippage and commission number and plug that in and deduct that from the total number of trades. But with 25, you get 762.50 on the month. And the 50K portfolio, 1795 profit on the month or on the week with 26 trades. The only difference between the 25K and 50K portfolio is we add these two strategies here. Crude oil had one trade. It was break even. And so you see 0 here with one trade. That's because it was break even. And you see SR counter trend crude, 2 trades, 1010, nice on the short side. We caught those short trades on the rallies in crude. SR counter trend is one of our top strategies in gold, and it performed well this week in crude oil. And you see the results here for the week, results here for the month. 35 trades, 2572.50. After slippage and commission, 1697.50 using the $25 slippage and commission number. 100K portfolio, 1787.50 with 37 trades. The 100K portfolio adds these 5 strategies here, or 6 strategies actually. We added exhaust and reverse, which had a nice week on 5 trades. Last 2 days this week did really well catching that counter trend reversal. And gold spike had a down week. And stock index swing pretty much break even. EVP2 gold down, swing soybeans down, swing soybean meal up. So down on the month because of these additional strategies so far. But we have that additional diversity. I expect the grains have been very choppy lately to start moving at some point. It's been a very active week, and so we've seen the market start to loosen up a little bit this week. So we'll see if that trend continues next week. $1 million portfolio is the same strategies as the 100K portfolio. That will change soon as I'm adding additional strategies in the second quarter for the $1 million portfolio. And right now, the $1 million portfolio trades 7 contracts of each strategy except for gold spike, EVP2 gold, swing soybeans conservative, and swing soybean meal. Those 4 strategies trade 2 contracts. And since those are the underperforming strategies, except for swing soybean meal, well, that's actually down on the month as well. But those four strategies are down on the month, and they only trade 2 contracts. So the $1 million portfolio is up 15,862.50 on the week on 239 contracts traded, and 21,325 on the month. If I said the month, I meant the week over here. This is the month. And this is the month with slippage and commission, 12,750. So those are the portfolio results for the Capstone Trading Systems portfolios. Here are the trades. Cobra 3 trades, 2 winners, 1 loser. SR counter trend gold, 2 winners. This one is a very small winner. We've been on a winning streak on this. Let me show you the results. Periodical returns, daily. This hasn't lost since September and hasn't been stopped out since August. So it's been on a really, really nice streak. You see the results here. We had this drawdown and then nothing but up since that point. And I thought yesterday it looked like gold would rally, but we were able to get out of that trade. And so it's pretty much a scratch profit. When you looking at plus or minus $100, I pretty much consider that scratch. Cobra Euro is down on the week. There's that one trade. Hasn't traded much this year. The Euro's been very constricted, and as it's fighting parity basically. It's at 107. So soybeans day trader 3, 2 short trades this week. And you see that short trade was profitable, that short trade was a loss, and gap continued to be no trades. And those were the base 5 strategies. This is crude oil after hours, and it had a down week. This trade right here almost hit its profit target yesterday on this move. It came about 7 ticks away, and then it rolled over and hit our stop, and so that happens sometimes. And so let's see, the 3 trades this week, it carried a trade in from last Friday. It had a profitable trade here overnight on the short side, and that was on the 7th. And it had this trade that was carried over the weekend. This was last Friday, the 3rd, and this is Sunday night coming in. It initially goes our way and then gets stopped out. But crude oil has been choppy at the levels between 52 and 54. I thought it would move to 55, but it broke out the other way and the market went down this week. And our strategies don't depend on my long-term outlook. And we had SR counter trend. I'll show you that trade in a minute. Weekly inventories had a long trade. It was stopped out. Big move down, big trend down in crude this week. And Tick Pulse had some nice trading yesterday. It's always nice when you can reverse like this. The first trade was a loss, but when you can go short and then reverse at a profit and it goes up, if we had a little bit more range on that, that would be really nice. It's nice to go short, make money, and then reverse and make money on the long side. But the range has been narrow, and so the profits in Tick Pulse were a bit constricted this week, but it's nice, showing nice gains on the month. Gap fill and reverse from our book. Nice trade, picture perfect trade. The only way this would be more picture perfect is if we get in a little bit lower price and got out at this price. But you see that pattern, we see that a lot. Gap fill and reverse from our book, Algorithmic Trading Systems. Crude oil, gap fill and reverse, same thing. No such luck. Turning got stopped out. It's down on the week, and these are the trades you see. And gap fill and reverse. Cobra crude. This is the one trade. It shows minus 25 because this includes slippage and commission. But without that, it's break even. It got out the same price it got in. And then SR counter trend crude. SR counter trend gold is one of our top strategies. Now SR counter trend crude is doing well on the short side. You see this small trade right here, small profit. And then crude, we took some heat, got short, took some heat, and then got out at the profit target. Stock index swing. This picture tells it all this week. Let's see. Here's the week's trade. Started here, finished here. Narrow range. You know, we thought we might bounce a little bit more, but we didn't. We bounced off of the 2350, 2351 on Thursday. Didn't make money on the short side here. Went short, wouldn't go down. Went long, wouldn't go up. And that's pretty much the stock indexes lately. And the strategy to trade that is exhaust in reverse. So if you traded exhaust in reverse yesterday, you captured this move, and it did this on Thursday. So on Thursday and Friday, it captured 2 really nice reversal trades. It had some losing trades this week. There was Wednesday's trade. It lost. It doesn't always catch these moves. It lost there on Tuesday, and there was Monday's trade. I mentioned that's why we don't have a break-even stop loss. If we had a break-even stop loss, this would have lost. It's hard to overly micromanage your exits. You tend to lose average trade profit when you do that, and so we let it run. And those are the results. Nice week on exhaust and reverse because of the last 2 trades of the week were close to picture perfect trades. And the mean reversion that we're seeing. Gold spike 2 lost. We use the money management algorithm on this. The base strategy lost 495, but since we used the money management algorithm to get in at a better price, we lost only 275 on that. EVP2 gold. it had a small loss there on the short side. Gold has been down this week as well. Gold and crude are down. And then swing soybeans had some chop, some trend at the end of the week, but some chop earlier on. This short trade would have been nice had we had a bigger stop and a longer horizon, because the market did go down. Once we were stopped out, it pretty much went down the rest of the week. And so that's the swing soybeans trade. Swing soybean mill was profitable this week on this trade. Here's some previous trades from last week. It was profitable this week. So again, those are the trades. These are the portfolio results for the portfolios. So if you're trading in these portfolios and you have any different results, let me know and we can resolve that. Oh yeah, the gold flash, no trade yesterday. So here's yesterday's chart. Started here, no flash trades. Yeah, here it is. I was back further. This is yesterday's chart. We had some moves in here on the employment report, but not enough of a flash move down to capture a trade for gold flash. And so that's the update on the week. Let me know if you have any questions.